Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a really cool video collage. It's a very interesting idea. We will combine a powerful movie quote with some beautiful, calmly passing clouds. But remember, you can use any two videos you want for this technique. We will focus on making it look smooth and natural. First, go ahead and open your CapCut app. Get your video clips ready. You will need at least two for this. So one for your top layer, another for your bottom layer. Now bring your background video into the timeline. For my example, this will be the calmly passing clouds video. Then add your foreground video clip. For me, that's the movie quote video, one on top of the other. Next, resize your top video, position it where you want it, maybe in a corner or floating it in the middle. You want to see your bottom video. Now, let's make it look professional. Select your top video. This is your foreground video. Go over to the options on the right. You'll see mask. Click on mask. You'll see different shapes here. Try rectangle or circle. Just select one. You can move this mask around, position it over your content, resize it to frame your video. This is where it gets interesting. Once your mask is applied, you'll see a little feather slider or a control point. Drag this feather option, watch the edges of your mask. They become soft. They blend into the video below. This makes it look much more natural, not just a sharp cutout. You can also move your masked top video around, resizing it again if needed. Even stretch it, experiment with the position until it looks just right. Now we have this interesting effect. In my example, the movie quote is floating, but its edges are soft. They blend with the calmly passing clouds. You can achieve this with any two videos you choose. You can even take all your video clips, select them all, create a compound clip. With this compound clip, you can then adjust everything globally, like brightness or contrast, even shadows. This applies changes to both layers at once. It helps tie them together visually. So, this is our college.
You could ask yourself a question. Do I feel lucky? Well, do you, punk?
My example uses a movie quote with calmly passing clouds. It looks clean and natural. You can see this same technique for product showcases or split screen interviews or creative storytelling. If you are creating a podcast that includes a visual element or even just a static podcast with a dynamic backdrop, these layout tools are incredibly valuable. Let's quickly explore how you can use college layouts for your video podcast. You can use a classic side-by-side college template or manually adjust two video clips to occupy separate halves of the screen. This is perfect for remote interviews or co-hosted shows. Second thing is speaker with visual elements. You are not limited to just video feeds. Use one main video track for your speaker, then integrate other elements into adjacent college cells. This could be a dynamic audio waveform, your podcast logo, a rotating guest image, or key text points. Simply import these elements and position them using the multi-clip layout tools. Third thing is podcast art as dynamic collage. Even for audio only podcasts, you can create engaging video versions for platforms like YouTube. Use multiple static images or short video loops of your podcast art, guest photos, or relevant B-roll arranged in a collage format, synchronized with your audio track. To truly make your collages stand out, remember these tips. Firstly, source unique assets. Don't just use generic stock footage. Find clips and images that resemble with your message and style. Secondly, experiment with effects. CapCut has a vast library of effects. Don't be afraid to play around and discover unexpected combinations. Thirdly, understand visual hierarchy. Guide your viewer's eye by making certain elements more prominent than others. And most importantly, develop your own signature style. What makes your collages unique? Is it a specific color palette, a type of transition, or a recurring theme? Consistency in your unique approach will build your brand and make your content instantly recognizable. Take a look at this example of our very own. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.